Hello, little friends! Have you ever imagined stepping into an autumn forest? Red and yellow leaves gently fall in the sunshine. Little squirrels hop around happily, and a cool breeze carries the fresh forest scent. The autumn forest feels calm and peaceful, and it's waiting for us to explore. Right now we see an empty space. Oh, but in just a moment, this place will turn into a magical forest. First, we color the background to create the main scene. Ta-da! The colors spread and the forest starts to appear. Next, we add the details. Aha! The mountains in the distance are made with plaster and look strong and tall. Autumn trees begin to grow, and their leaves turn red and yellow. Autumn is here. Oh, a little wooden house appears in the forest. It looks so cozy. Look! A stream flows by and a wooden bridge crosses over it, leading us into the forest. A small cave covered in green moss hides under the trees. Finally, a cute watermill appears and brings the forest to life. Now, the whole model looks like a tiny autumn forest, peaceful and full of beautiful colors. Next, we finish the forest ground. That's right! We spread plaster and sprinkle real soil to make it look natural. Oh, autumn leaves are scattered everywhere. Oh, wow! The model is finished! A lovely little autumn forest, colorful, lively, and ready for children to explore. Oh, something is moving in the bushes. That tail looks familiar. It's a little squirrel. The squirrel has a big, fluffy tail. Its brown fur is soft and warm. It has round, bright, playful eyes. Squirrels are very quick and love jumping from branch to branch. They like to find nuts and fruits to eat. Now, let's draw together and color this picture. The colors look great. Next, we carefully cut the picture out. Oh, the bird is ready to fly. Do you know what kind of bird this is? That's right, it's an eagle. Eagles are big and strong birds. Their wide, powerful wings help them fly very high in the sky. They have sharp eyes that can see prey from far away. Eagles usually live on high mountains and in large forests. Wee, what is swimming in the pond? It looks so cute. Ah, it's a capybara. Capybaras have round, chubby bodies. Their fur is thick and soft, keeping them warm in the water. They are great swimmers and often live near rivers and lakes. They eat grass and water plants. Capybaras are gentle and very lovable. Which animals do these letters belong to? Let's figure it out together. I is for iguana. W is for whale. L is for lion. E is for elephant. P is for panda. Oh, what about this animal? F is for fox. The fox has beautiful orange-red fur. Its long, fluffy tail really stands out. Foxes are smart and very quick. They usually live in forests and love to run and play. The fox looks playful and cute. Let's solve a math problem together. On the left, there are 3 birds. On the right, there are 5 birds. Which number is bigger, 3 or 5? That's right. 3 is less than 5. Great job. Do you know what kind of bird this is? It's an owl. Owls have big, round eyes that see well at night. Their heads can turn from side to side. It's amazing. They fly very quietly. Owls usually live in forests and are active at night. They look mysterious, but very cute. Let's choose the animals that live in water and bring them home. Does this one live in water? Yes. What about the last one? Nope, this one lives on land. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's an elk. Elk are large animals that live on land. Male elk have big, beautiful antlers. They live in forests and wide grasslands. Elk eat grass and leaves and are very gentle. Let's help put the puzzle pieces together. Oh, no! That doesn't look right. Let's try again. Ah, that's it. It's a bear. Bears are big and strong animals. They have thick fur to keep warm. Bears live in forests and mountains. They eat many foods like fish, fruit, and honey. Oh, there's an egg on the ground. Let's dig it up and see. It looks like a chicken egg, doesn't it? It's not a chicken egg. It's a snake egg. It's a snake. Snakes have long, smooth bodies. They don't have legs and move by slithering. They use their forked tongues to sense the world. Snakes live in forests, grasslands, or near water. Let's play a wooden block game together! Hooray! You did great! Oh, is this a deer? Yes, that's right. It's a deer. Deer have tall, beautiful antlers. Their bodies are slim, and they can run very fast. They live in forests and grasslands. Deer eat grass and leaves. They look gentle and sweet. Something is hidden under these upside-down cups. Can you guess which cup it's under? Oh, not this one. No! Ah, here it is. What's inside? A cute little frog. Frogs have smooth, soft skin. They jump very well with their strong back legs. Frogs live near ponds, lakes, and rice fields. They make fun ribbit sounds. Is there an animal hiding behind the curtain? Oh, what animal is Ah, it's a gray wolf. Gray wolves have thick gray fur to stay warm. They live in groups called packs. Wolves run fast and hunt well. They live in forests and mountains. Their howls help them talk to their pack. Today is such a beautiful day. Our little pig goes into the garden and plants many flowers. All done. Wow, look! Something beautiful appears. What is it? That's right, it's a butterfly. Butterflies have thin, colorful wings. They gently fly among flowers. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. They often appear on sunny days. Our adventure comes to an end here. Today, we met many lovely animals. Each one is special in its own way. Wasn't that fun? Thank you for exploring with us. See you again on our next adventure.